Hi everyone, today we will show you how to program BFT remote control in the BFT motor. This is BFT 600 kg sliding motor. So first of all we will press this S1 button. This is S1 button. So now you can see this light is blinking. So now we will press and hold the both button of the remote control. So the light is solid now. Now we can press right or left second button 1 2 3 times press until now the programming is done. So we will wait for this light to be finished, so the programming will be done. Now you can see motor is moving now. Press again, stop. So this is BFT remote programming inside the control system.